I'm Preeti Kumar. Today we are going to continue the C++ programming. Before we start, let us close our eyes and observe 2 minute silence to pray for the peace within and outside, and also pray for everyone's well-being. Open your eyes, children. Let's get started. As you see on the screen, the program is given. Write a program to input any 3-digit number and find its first 2 digits and last 2 digits, and also find the square of the first 2 digits. Let's get started and just see how we will solve this program. Children, it is very important when we write any program, we should know what output we want. What is our desired result? So first we will see what result we need from this program. So here it says input any 3-digit number. So input any 3-digit number means we need one variable which store our 3-digit number. So it can be any 3-digit number. Like suppose I am taking here 1, 2, 3. Then next part is and find its first 2 digits. Then it says from this digit 1, 2, 3 you extract first 2 digits. So what are the first 2 digits in this number? 1 and 2 means 12. Now move to the next. Before moving, let us store this number. FD is equal to 12. Here FD is a variable where I have stored the value of first digits. So now and last 2 digits, and even it says extract the last 2 digits. So what are the last 2 digits of this number? Is 23. So we will again store this answer in another variable, that is LD, and will store like this. So this is the program which we have solved. Now and also find the square. What we have to find? Square. So square, we'll take another variable square, and in square what we will store in square? Square of the first 2 digits. Whose square we have to find out? First 2 digits. So where we have stored first 2 digits means we need to find the square of 12. So you know the formula of finding the square means number itself multiply by the same number. So 12 into 12. It says find the square of first 2 digits. 12 into 12. So the answer will be 144. So this is our final output. Okay. Now to find this final output, what logic we will use? What calculations are needed to get this result? So as you have learned in your previous session how to extract first and last digit from the 2-digit number. Now here our number is 1, 2, 3. As I have discussed, children, if you need to extract the last digit and first digit, you have to focus on the place value of the numbers. So as you see, 3 is on ones place, 2 is on tens place, and 1 is on hundreds place. Now, so as if we have written 3-digit number, now we have to find first 2 digits. So can you see, first 2 digit is 1 and 2. So how do we find out? You see, in the number we need to find 1, 2. So 2 is on the tens place. So simply what we will do, we will divide this number 1, 2, 3 by 10. So as you see, when we divide this number with 10, the first time it will go for 1 time and remainder 2 will come. Then we will take a 3 here and again we'll write 2, and you see the desired answer is with us. You see the quotient 12 has come here, and you see the remainder is left as 3. But you see in the question it says last 2 digits. You have to find the last 2 digits. So last 2 digits means we need to get 3 also here. So we have done FD. FD is equal to 12. We have got the result. Now what logic we will use to find 23? So children, in the previous session you have learned that when you want to extract the last digit only, then you have used the modulus function, and you have divided the number with the 10. So here when we want this number also to be extracted, so we will see the nearest value in our left hand side. So the nearest value is here on the tens place. So now we'll see what we can do here. We will divide the number by 100. Okay, so when you divide the number by 100, then what will be the result? Here, sorry, it is 1, and you will get the remainder 23. So we have got the desired result 23. LD is equal to 23. Now what is the left? Which part is left? Also find the square of first 2 digits. So we need to find the square. So for the square we need to multiply this value 2 times, means 12 into 12 here. So what we'll write here answer? FD, formula FD into FD. Okay, so this way you will get the desired result. Let us see how we will solve this in C++. Let's open Turbo C++. Okay, I'll open a new file. Now start writing. So hash include IO stream dot h, then hash include conio dot h, then void main, then curly bracket, CLR SCR, and semicolon. It is must. As I have discussed, why we don't take a float, we have to take a int. So now our variable where we store the number, that is n. Then another variable which I want to store my first digit, FD. Then we also want to store last digit, so that is LD. And to store our square, we'll take another variable. So in this program, total we are taking 4 variables. Now cout, we will ask the value from the user. So please enter, give the clear instruction, enter any 3-digit number. Now say endl for the next line. Now cin number n. Now we'll write FD formula n divide by 10. Next we want to print, so we'll write first 2 digits is equal to, we'll give little space, then we'll write FD because our answer of first digit is stored in FD, then endl, and then we will find LD last digit. So last digit n modulus. Whenever we are talking about the last digit, we use modulus function, and then 100. And now we'll write cout last 2 digits is equal to, give little space, and then we'll write LD, then end L. Okay, this way we have written our program. Now our third part is left to find out the square. So SQ, the variable SQ, and then here we'll write FD star FD. We don't take here X sign. Okay, then cout square of first 2 digits are 2 digits is equal to SQ, and we don't need endl because it is the last statement of our program. Get ch and semicolon, curly bracket, close. Let us compile the program. Alt plus F9, 3 errors. Children, it is also very important for us how we will debug our program. So see, let us see where is the error. So press any key. So you can see here, children, it says, it shows you all the errors in the bottom. So size of main is unknown or 0. What mistake I have made? I did not put here back bracket. Okay, this I have done purposely because many children share the screen with me and they says, ma'am, my program is not compiling or it's not showing answer, because they don't know how to debug the program. Let us again after making this correction, let me again compile my program and see where is the error. So again I'll compile. So my error is removed. So this way you can check your program from the instructions which comes in the bottom. Now I'll run my program. Control plus F9. So it is asking please enter any 3-digit number. So I'll take the same number 1, 2, 3 and then see the first 2 digit is equal to 12, last 2 digit is equal to 23 and square of first 2 digit is equal to 144. So this way this program runs very successfully. Let us try with some more or another value. So let me run it and now I'll give 2, 3, 5. Let us see. Yes, first 2 digits is equal to 23 as you see on the screen, and then last 2 digit is equal to 35. A square of first 2 digit is equal to 529. So children, please practice this program on computer and just copy this program in your notebook. Children, now one more thing I want to share with you. If you want to find the square with pow function, then what you will do? So it is that you have to include one more library file here after void and main. Before void and main, that is math.h, and then you will put the formula pow, whatever the syntax is there of pow you use. So you please try, otherwise I'll discuss next time in my video. Thank you children.